Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to download and install GeForce Experience on your PC or laptop step by step. First, open Google and type GeForce Experience. Then click on the first result. Make sure it's from nvidia.com, since that's the official NVIDIA website. Once you're on the page, you'll see a big button that says Download Now. Go ahead and click it. Your download will start automatically, and the file size is around 169 megabytes. After it's done downloading, open your Downloads folder and find the file called something like GeForce_experience.exe. Double-click it to start the setup. If your computer asks for permission or an admin PIN, enter it to continue. You'll then see the NVIDIA GeForce Experience setup window with the terms and privacy policy. Click Agree and Install, and the installation process will begin. It might take a couple of minutes depending on your system speed. Once it's finished, GeForce Experience will open automatically, and from there, you can log in with your NVIDIA account, update your graphics drivers, optimize games, and record gameplay using Shadowplay. And that's it. That's how you download and install GeForce Experience quickly and safely on your PC. If this video helped you out, please subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.